Hey, 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 glam crew. It is your girl, Nikki, the glam teacher. Looking fine, looking cute. All right. We are in Walmart and I am trying on some swimsuits. Now, I came in here to find the Megan the Stallion swimsuits because your girl is a stallion and I went to two different Walmarts. I did not find them. Crazy thing, I'm in Texas. Megan from Texas. Why did they not have her swimsuits? Come on, Walmart. I'm not even supposed to be in here right now. Okay, but we're going to leave that for a different day, a different video. However, I saw some cute swimsuits from No Boundaries. And yeah, I mean, okay, let's get into it. This first one is cute. The colors got the little paisley, whimsical type of vibes. I showed you all the tag, and on the tag, it shows the price, it shows the size. These swimsuits, I tried them on in different sizes, so just watch the video so you will know what to shop for when you go shopping. I am 230 pounds and I am 5'8" in height. Those are my measurements. If you are close to my body type and are shaped similar to me, I will show you what to get and what to leave on the racks. Now, this first one, the bottoms seem a little big, but I wanted the little fringe, frilly, crinkly type material to show. And you know, when you get those too tight, the frills and fringes and stuff, it doesn't really show. And as you can see, this is definitely going to be a low rise swimsuit. I have on my undergarments and they are sticking out. So be mindful if you do get this swimsuit that is going to be low rise all the way around. And if you want to be covered up, like wearing this out with the family and your children or something, you might want to reconsider these bottoms or definitely put on a cover up just for more coverage. But it's up to you. Whatever makes you happy, makes you feel comfortable, and makes you feel good about yourself, do that. On my channel, we are all about body positivity. Okay, we are loving on ourselves at every shape, every size. Whether you had plastic surgery, whether you are natural, been in the gym, had 10 babies, had none, everybody in every shape is different. We need to learn to appreciate them. Don't depend on nobody else to appreciate you and love on your body. You need to do it yourself. Happiness comes from within. Now, this dressing room in Walmart was not up to my standard. The mirror was dirty. There was stuff all everywhere that I didn't bring in there. It was just, yeah. So this video is going to be real quick. We just trying these on and getting on out of there. I needed a quick swimsuit to wear to the pool at my friend's place. So this was like really last minute. This next swimsuit is a one piece. It has lemons on it. And you know, when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. So we are trying to make we're trying to make lemonade with this swimsuit, glam crew. We trying to make lemonade. It is tight. It is cutting off the circulation, but it's super cute and it's very texturized. The texture in it is really different. It's kind of ripply, but it's soft at the same time. The straps are adjustable. That's a really good feature that I like. And it does have light padding. The other swimsuit, I like that it came with short sleeves. So if you have bigger arms that you're not fully yet comfortable showing off, that would be a cute swimsuit to rock out and still help build up your confidence in a two-piece. And it had light padding as well. So this lemon one, I'm kind of feeling it. I'm trying to move, I'm trying to stretch, and I think this one is just a little bit too tight. Now, if I got it one size up, I think I could work with it a little bit more. It has this very cute bow feature. My phone ringing, my bad, Glam Crew. We're definitely not editing that out. But yeah, it has this cute little bow feature on it on the top part, which gives it a cute little unique design. But I'm not all the way sold on this swimsuit. The price was kind of good. It wasn't a bad pricing on here. So I'm gonna try on this swimsuit cover up. They had multiple cover ups out there. They had some sheer ones, they had long ones, they had shorts. If you are looking for a two-piece cover up with maybe pants that are wide leg and a cute little top, or like a button up that you can tie up and give like that crisscross effect, really cute, check out Walmart. Now I know y'all say us persons of colors and people who are of LGBTQ and that may need any type of diversity and inclusion should not be up in Walmart and Targets and all of them other stores. But sometimes when you're just last minute shopping and you need something on a really good budget, I mean, hey, like I said, Walmart, here I am, last minute thing. I need a quick swimsuit because I did not have a swimsuit to go to my friend's pool. But yeah, this cover up is kind of cute. I like that it's long and it's covering up what needs to be covered up. Nothing extra. It gives a cute little split on the side. You can give a little shake, a little shimmy, and it's gonna be boom, 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 razzling and dazzling. You can tie it up and cinch it on the waist. You like show off that waist, girl. You've been in the gym, you've been working out, you've been taking your Ozempic shots. Flaunt what you got. Flaunt it. Ain't nothing wrong with it. If people stare at you and look in disgust, that is their problem. That is their business, because you love you. You are not hurting anybody. You are not breaking any laws. Enjoy you, boo. That's my little tip information, little razzle dazzle for the day. Let's head on over to the next swimsuit. Now this green swimsuit, I love the top. The top is super cute and it has underwire on it, so it's going to lift the girlies up. This is really cute when you have had babies, you have breastfed a little bit, got a little natural sag. Nothing is wrong with it. Just get a swimsuit with underwire in it and maybe a little push. You're good to go. If that is what you desire. If that's what you desire. This swimsuit is in an extra large, I believe. But like I said, look at the tags. I put in the video the tags that shows what brand it is, what size it is, and the pricing. So you know when you go shop and grab something or online what to look for. Now this swimsuit is not as low cut as the very first one, and I like that you can pull it up higher on the sides to give you like that V-cut illusion. I like the V-cut illusion. It definitely makes your hips look more voluptuous, and I love my hips looking voluptuous. If you have watched this far in the video, comment voluptuous. Let me know in the comments which swimsuit is your favorite. Drop me some places that you like to go shopping for swimsuits, especially last minute and when you're on a budget. This green swimsuit is super soft. I don't know what we want to call this material. If it's like jersey material or I don't even know. Read the tag, my friends. Read the tag, okay? However, it is super, super soft. It feels like one of those beach towels or one of those little throw blankets that has like the extra softness to it. We gonna leave it at that. Correct me in the comments. Let me know because I can't think of the wording right now. However, this swimsuit does have 3 adjustable bands in the back so you can make it tighter. So if you are big back, boom, big back, boom, you can adjust it for your big back. And again, nothing is wrong with it. Enjoy it and love it. That's gonna be the new motto here on Nikki the Glam Teacher. Love it and enjoy it. Boom. So this swimsuit is definitely need to buy. I went out and tried to find the bottoms in a smaller size. I couldn't, so I ended up just buying this size. I do love how it ended up making the derriere look. Ho 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 ho. Nice, nice, nice. So yeah, I ended up getting the green one, just skipping ahead. I don't know where I'm going to wear it to outside of my friend's pool, but it was something cute and cool to wear, just the girls chilling out at the pool. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Join my Elite VIP membership if you would like to see me try on lingerie or have one-on-one chats and video calls with me. Bye.